Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Look what my Dollar Tree has. They're skeleton hands, and then we have a left and a right. Look at this. This is something different, right? Usually we see those stubby hands, right? I like this. It's all bones. I couldn't resist, so I picked out 4 pairs of hands, left and right. I'm going to be using these in my projects. I like this. And then I'll have extra on hand also. See? Hands. So while I was there, I also picked this up. These are the Wreath Decoration kits. Look at this. So this is what you get in the kit. You get the hat. How cute. And it's stuffed with some fluffy. And then you get the legs. So, and then it comes with the strings to tie it to your wreath. So the legs are closed, they're sewed shut, but you can take the threading out and put some stuffing in there. Give your legs some dimension. But how cute. So they have the buckle only on one side, so you got to make sure your feet stays, pointing out with the buckle showing. How cute. I like it. And then I found Frankenstein. See? Cute. Here's Frankenstein. So you get his head, and the bolt is a little crooked at the moment, but look at this. How cute. And you get the hands, left and right side. And you get the legs. Cute. I like this. Let's see. And then I found the ghost. I had to go to like 2 different stores to get all the pieces. That's how popular these are, right? How cute. Here's the ghost. There's the top half and then the bottom half. And then that's what it looks like if you want to kind of arrange it like the way they have it in their little picture there. And then it says it can fit up to 14 inches on the wreath frame. But you know what? Let's not limit ourselves to 14 inches. Put it on any size wreath you want. And then look, they have the skeleton. Here we go, look. Okay, so here's the upper half of his body. And here's the bottom half, the leg parts. Look at this. See? You can just put it together like this and use it in something else besides a wreath if you don't want to make a wreath. But I like these. Those are cute. I'm going to make something with those. I have to come up with a cute project for that. And then look what I found too. These are flocked skulls. I don't want to open it because, I'm not ready to use it yet. But see how some of it is coming off, so I don't want to get it everywhere. But we have the green flocked. Isn't that amazing? This is the first time I've seen flocked skulls at Dollar Tree. I think they mischarged me. They only charged me $1.25 for these. I picked up 2 of the green ones because I knew those were going to sell out, and then I would never see it again. And then I picked up 2 of the black ones. Oh, I can't wait to use these. I love those. I have decided to grab this fabric. This is the Black Kitty with the lime green background. Look at this. I like this one. Well, it took me a moment to like it, but I like it. I did buy the same fabric last year. I believe that last year they had, I think it's orange. Let me see. I pulled out my fabrics. Give me a minute. Here we go. Look at this. See, last year they had the orange fabric, and this year they have the lime. But look, if you put the two together, right, wouldn't that make a stunning project? I love it. So I picked up 4 of these kitty fabrics. And then I picked up some of these party dishes. They're paper dishes. So this is 8 fluid ounce cups is this one. Isn't that neat? It says, it just says cups. But it's like a newsprint. Or maybe it's just texting. I don't know. But look at this. I like it. But how cute are these? I love these. I really like the text that they put in here. And then they put, well, 2 images. But I picked up 1 package. And while I was picking this up, I also picked this up. This, you get 2 in this package. And these are treat buckets. And then this also has the, like the labels. Look at this. And the same thing with this one. You don't necessarily have to use it just for treats. You know, you can use it as a flower pot. It's excellent flower pot size. And then you can also take it apart and cut these out and use it in craft projects. But look, I like this. This is the first time I've seen this pattern at Dollar Tree, so I took advantage. I like them. I may grab some more, but for the moment, I only picked up 1 each. While I was picking that up, I also picked these up. Look at this. These are plates. Look. I took it out of the package so we can see it better. I really like this one. See, you can take this and flatten it and use it in a craft project. You know, if you're making a large enough journal, you can probably use this as a cover too, right? How neat. I like it. So I picked up 2 of these. Look, I found it in the napkins too. Now, I almost didn't pick this pattern up because I was thinking, well, it's the same as the one from last year. Then I was looking at the one I picked up last year, and it was like, there was a difference. I'm like, oh, I need this one in my life. So you get 24 napkins. They're 13 by 13 inches. And they are 2-ply napkins. And look at this. Let me open it. Look, you get 4 images. Normally you get only 2 images from Dollar Tree napkins. Usually the side is all white and you only get images on the side. But this is nice. I like this one. It does go with the pattern on the plate. You see, you get the candles and the bottles and the raven. The only thing that's missing is the skull. I wish they had the skull in here too. You know, they swapped out the skull with the spider web in it. But, you know, it clearly goes together, right? I like it. So imagine all the stuff we can decoupage with these napkins, right? I'm just thinking up ideas already. I like this napkin. I'm quite happy that Dollar Tree gave us this napkin. Nice. Look what else I found. Potion bottles. You remember one of my previous hauls, I picked up the ones for the harvest, and they're like jugs. And I was thinking about DIYing those for Halloween, but look at this. They have it for Halloween. I like this. This one says crow feet. You got the black jute cording with a spider on there, see? Cute, right? And then this is 2-layered, the labels and the bottle itself. Nice. So I picked up 2. It is cute. I can put it back to back. That way I have an image on each side. It'll make quite a substantial piece. Or I could just use one, you know. Nice. I like this one. I'm quite happy with that one. So I found that one, and then look. Vampire Ashes, 100% authentic and locally sourced. It is cute. I like them. Picked up 2 of those. And then there's this one. This says Mermaid Tears. Pure tears harvested from across the 7 seas. And then this one has a little crossbow tag on there. Cute, right? I like it. I like that they're, you know, so adorable, and that they're 2 label and they're like big chunky pieces. I love that. Look. This is the last one I found. This one says spider legs. And then it has that crossbone tag on there also. But organic spider legs. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see. Crow's feet, preserved in bat blood. Oh goodness. So we have 4 of them. Look. Aren't they cute? I love them. I like them very much. So Dollar Tree has been giving us some really great Halloween products, right? I'm so happy with the Dollar Tree. So I also needed some more pumpkins for a project I'm working on. So I grabbed some more pumpkins. I grabbed some more of these white pumpkins. And then these come on the little metal clips right here. I picked up 2 white packages. And I also picked up the 6-piece here that comes on a floral wire like that. So you get 3 and this piece right here, the size, and then you get 6 in this one. I'm glad they still had some in stock. I had to dig to find the white ones, and these were the last 2 on the shelves, so I was quite lucky I got those. I would have had to hunt across town just to find it. I also picked up some items that I want to use in a prop. You know, some sort of Halloween display I want to do. So I picked these up. This is a outdoor furniture play set. But this is, what do you call that? That lounge chair. And it comes with a tiny table. Look at this. Cute, right? It kind of goes with that Barbie doll theme, right? And then look at this one. This is the fashion doll closet. That is cute. And then I also picked up this one. This is the outdoor furniture place set again. And then this is the umbrella. I guess you have to purchase the table and the chair separately. But I don't need the chair or the table. I just needed the umbrella. I figure I can put the umbrella over the chair. How cute will that be, right? Adorable. I want to open this one. I want to take a look inside. So this doll closet, it is 5 by 6.5 by 1.75 inches. Let me see. It's got the cute design on the door, can you tell? Ah, look at this. Look, some of the shelves are already full of bags, right? Look at this. And on this side, and it comes with hangers that you can hang on the little rod right there. But how cute. Now, I know Dollar Tree sells doll clothes and dolls, so you can add, you know, pick those up if you need it. But even if you're going to give this away, like on a birthday gift or just because gift, how cute, right? I like it. Very nice. I'm glad I picked that up. I also picked this up. It's an acrylic note board, phone stand dry erase board. And it is Corner Office by Jot. So this is what it looks like right there. See there? I had to open it. Let me see. So this is the board here. And I imagine you put the phone on this side. So, and then this plastic piece would have to go on this side like this. See? And then you take your phone and put your phone on here. And then you write your, to-do list, right? I will need some dry erase markers to write. If sometimes you just need to jot down something really quick, right? So you put it on there. And then it does have these little cute to-do list boxes. You check them off as you complete it. How cute. I like it. And then this is 5.65. Oh, wait, hold on. This is for the doll closet. Oh, it doesn't have a size. Let me measure. It's about 6/1/4 by 5.5. So 6/1/4 this way and 5.5 this way. It's a decent size, You can actually write a couple of words depending how large you write. But you don't necessarily have to put a phone on here too. You can just use the whole board and put notes on the whole board, which is what I plan to do with this, just jot whatever I need to on here. Like if I'm doing craft projects, I can put a list here, or if I need to add a note into one of my videos, I can just jot it in there. That way I remember to add it into my video, that kind of thing. And it's not, bulky to where it'll take up the whole desk. How cute is this? I like it. And then the last item I picked up are these. These are wooden holders, and I picked up 3. I had to dig for these because I knew Dollar Tree had it. I just had to find it. I had to search 2 stores for it, but I finally found it, and I got lucky. I got 3. So this is one of those like note holders, but I want to put my specimen cards in here. I made some Halloween specimen cards. Look at this. Are they adorable? So I was thinking I can put them in here like this, and then I can have this on my desk, and if I need to reference one of these cards, I have them close by. Look at that, how cute. I can, there's more room in here, so I can add more cards in there. So I picked up 3. I'm not sure what I'm putting in here yet, but I had to go dig, so I'm like, I might as well get all 3. But look, how cute. Great. And then I can slide a card in here that says specimens. How adorable. I like it. Or I can take this tray and, display it somewhere, so somebody else can admire my Halloween specimen cards, right? Adorable. I loved it. Well, that is everything that I picked up on my Dollar Tree trip. I'm looking forward to putting this together very soon. And look, everything's cascading down. Well, I hope that you find everything on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.